Hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Hey there, welcome to my channel. In our previous talk we discussed on the importance of eating healthy while breastfeeding. Still on the first point of breastfeeding, we will be discussing on different ways rather positions of handling a baby while breastfeeding. Here comes the term latch. Latching is how a baby attaches to his mother's breast to breastfeed. When your child attaches to your breast correctly, the movements of her jaw and tongue squeeze the milk ducts to suck the breast milk from your breast. How you hold your baby can make it easier or harder for your baby to latch on. You can be sure your baby has a good latch if you can hear him suckle, swallow, and breathe in an even pattern. It's common in the first days of life for a baby to have trouble latching on, or maintaining sucking at the breast. If the baby doesn't get enough milk, they will have poor weight gain, secondly affect your milk supply. Someone may ask, do breasts need time to refill? Or should I maintain a time interval between each feed? An answer to that is no. Breasts are never truly empty immediately after breastfeeding. Milk is actually produced non-stop before, during, and after feeding. So there's no need to wait between feedings for your breasts to refill. In fact, a long gap between feedings actually signals your breasts to make less, not more milk. So how do you maintain a good latch? Ensure baby's mouth is open wide, like a yawn. If the baby's lips are turned out, fish lips, and flat against your breast. When you see and hear your child sucking and swallowing. When their latch doesn't hurt. Caring for a newborn baby of 1 to 2 weeks.